watching Local 10, home of Local10.com and JustWeather.com.
Okay, let's start.
A standard outpatient plastic surgery procedure became a horrifying medical nightmare for a South Florida woman. A bacterial infection ravaged one woman's body, but not her spirit. We need to caution you, too. Some of this video in this story is graphic. As a flight attendant, Marcia Beaird has had a world of experiences, but nothing prepared her for what happened in 2005. 48 hours after undergoing liposuction on her stomach, lower back and thighs, she was rushed to Broward General with an infection that almost killed her.
I was already in renal failure and my organs had shut down and I was septic throughout my body. So from that point the nightmare started.
Bacteria ate through her skin and fat down to her muscle layer.
Dr. Paul Wigoda was on call the night Marcia was rushed to the ER and started what became a long battle to save Marcia's life. For months on end, Dr. Wigoda removed layers of infected skin and fat, saving as much healthy skin as he could for future grafting.
Something I'd never done before, I'd never seen in a textbook. It was a horrible experience.
Beaird survived, but when her scarred skin began developing chronic wounds, she again turned to Dr. Wigoda for help.
He never stopped trying something when everybody else was ready to give up. He didn't.
Physically, there are things we can do. I can't get her back to 100% normal, but we're going to do the best we can.
Utilizing tissue expanders, Dr. Wigoda is hoping to increase the areas of the healthy skin on Marcia's body and eventually move it to the damaged areas.
Each area will take months, then it's a surgery, then we go to another area, it's another few months, so it's a long process.
And it's a painful process, but with Dr. Wigoda by her side, Marcia says she has the strength to move forward and face whatever comes.
I'm not going to let my incident cripple me. I'm going to rise above it.
Well, the tissue expansion process and series of surgeries could take 2 years to complete, maybe longer. But in the end, if successful, Marcia will have a greatly reduced risk of developing chronic wounds in the future. And JC, so far, Marcia's medical costs $2 million and counting. Fortunately, though, insurance is going to pay for most of that. So she goes in for surgery tomorrow to remove those tissue expanders we showed you. And it was just hard to look at. And she was almost left for dead, really. And Dr. Wigoda saved her.
He saved her life when nobody else really could.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was unreal to see those pictures and everything she was living with until she got the help she needed.
Again, tough to look at, but she is doing better.
Well, we wish her the best tomorrow. Okay.